we'll guide you through how to use Zapier for Discord, making your workflows smoother and more automated. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already, or you can log in if you're returning. Once you're in, click on the Make a Zap button, which lets you start creating an automation. In the Trigger app search bar, type in Discord and select it. You'll then be prompted to choose a specific event that will trigger your Zap, like a new message or member joining. Next, you'll need to connect your Discord account to Zapier, which requires authorization. Follow the prompts and allow Zapier to access your Discord account. Once connected, specify the server and channel you're targeting. Now, choose an action app from the list by typing in the app's name, like Gmail or Slack, depending on where you want the output to go. This is the app that will perform an action when the trigger occurs. Set up the action by choosing what you want to happen, such as sending an email or posting a message. Customize any additional fields as needed based on the action you selected. Once everything is configured, you can test your Zap to make sure it works correctly. Zapier will simulate the trigger event and execute the action to ensure everything runs smoothly. If it does, you're ready to turn your Zap on by clicking the toggle switch at the top of the screen. Now, your automation is live and will run whenever the trigger conditions are met. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.